Today is June 10th, Thursday, 2021, and I'm coming with an investment video. Here's the current watch list right here in the group. I'm going to click off this in a second because I don't want no notifications coming in, but here we are. I'm watching MDLY open, OSAT, XIN, ANY. Those are my top three. First of all, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet who trades stocks, who likes to make money, and by doing so, I track my investments. I look back at my videos and make sure I'm doing things the right way or correct the errors that I made as well. So, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not follow what I do. This is merely a suggestion of things that may help you trade. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I currently have my top four things I'm watching: MDLY, OSAT, XIN, and ANY. All are up pretty significantly in pre-market trading. This one yesterday closed at 584. It popped 1675 this morning. Well, last night even. This morning at 4 a.m. rather, it was almost 17 bucks. And here's some news. The news is right here. You'll see it. Well, actually, it's no news. Yeah, so the question remains is, how does the stock go up that fast with no news? Is it a pump and dump? Is something happened previously we didn't know about? Is it bag holders? Is it options? It can be a number of things. Is it a transition? Look back here. It popped up back here on 10/12 of last year to $27.90. If you see here, history of pumping and dumping. It pumped up, it pulled back, right? It ran a couple months, pumped up, pulled back, ran, pumped up, pulled back, ran. It does it a lot, as you see, but it always pumps up and pull back. Let me get rid of my old lines. I don't know how long those lines been there, but I've been watching it for quite a while, as you see. History of pumping and dumping, as you see. So that's kind of iffy from the beginning. And then knowing it popped up to this 16 bucks and pulled back half of that move, another reason why it's concerning. But what is the share float? Let's look at MDLY share float. Currently it's 9:28 and 7 seconds. So we got a little time left before the market opens. A couple minutes. I think I have like 600 bucks available to trade in a small account here. So let's see. Oh, 3 million share float. That's a tiny float. So any kind of volume gonna run this thing up. So I'm gonna go over here for a minute and get rid of this. That's crazy. No news, but 3 million share float. If you know by now, I love trading stocks with 10 million shares or smaller. So if I have 600 bucks in here, I can buy 50 shares. So what I'm gonna do is look for a target of about $12. We got a minute. I'm gonna go to 40. I like weird numbers, right? So I'm gonna go to 44, and I'm gonna check that auto send. Let me go to my charts. So right now it's my watch. OSAT is pulling back way too much. It was 1060 this morning on the run up, and it also has no news. Interesting. I got 30 seconds. Look at this right quick. If you go back, it's the highest it's been. Yeah, another runner with no news. So I'm gonna go back here to my 44. Maybe I go 45, even number, right? We got 14 seconds, 3 million share float, trading 6 million shares, up 100% and some change. Let's watch the move at the opening. We currently in the pullback. It's a 5-day, 15-minute chart. Let's see what happens. New 5-minute high, so I'm gonna buy in that. If it pops through this immediately, that's my target. But however, I wanted to make support above this right here. This is my SMA. So I need a big green buyer for SMA to pop in before I buy it. Look over here, level 2. You see no buyers, a couple sellers standing over there. Let's watch. It must make the SMA support, which is my 5-minute high. It's currently eating gap on the day. It's up 100%. We're going to watch it for a minute. Profit taken. Here go low right here. I'm going to draw a line on support. which is right there. And I'm gonna draw another line right about, that's even, right there. And next one's gonna be my high point, which is right about there, my buy-in target. Then my last one is the next high. So this gap here is my buy-in area. So I'm looking at approximately 1181 to 1341 run. I want to buy in between here. This little green line here on my chart is my EMA. As you can see, it's way oversold. It shows it here as well. The 15-minute chart is going to show you that's also pulling back. See, 15-minute chart adds up as well. It matches up. So this is the support level right here. If it bounce this point here, that's a good buy-in. If it supports here, that's a real good buy-in. If it pops here, we're hitting the high of day again at 1675. I'm going to watch it for a minute. After all, it's up 100%. So everybody watching like I'm watching right now. Let's look at meds. Also has this low flow. OSAT, low flow. All three has low flows. What meds doing? Also no news. Also pulling back. So didn't buy that one. Let's watch right here for this buy-in possible. Yeah, 6 million shares traded on 3 million share float. I like it. But it's not doing much or nothing. But when they get a big buyer in here, it's gonna blow past all this because the float's so low. Let me go over here. Meds and OSAT. As I'm doing this, I'm looking over here in the left. Meds is moving. I missed my buy-in point. See that? Missed my buy-in point. Text and stuff. Wait, I ain't got enough money in the account for that. See, I'm trying to do stuff at the same time. It's costing me money. I'm gonna hold off for a pullback. I'm gonna hold off for a pullback. I'm gonna miss this. FOMO, right? Don't let FOMO get you. I got bigger mover right here. Let me go into my large account. I haven't traded anything yet. Let me get ready though, because I see something I might want to trade. You're gonna pull back on meds. Let's watch this pullback. 5 day, 15 minute. Straight bullish. Straight bullish. You got a bigger gap to fill on MDLY. Let me go on my large account and try to buy a couple of these stocks. Let me see what we got going on here. I'm kind of watching, I'm kind of not. So let me get back over here now. I need to make it green. There we go. Like that move right there. Blow through that. We got to blow through this. Then we gonna pop this point. That's a dollar movement right there. It's gonna blow it. Trying to type it myself on the same time. Watch this buyer come in and blow right through this point. So I'm gonna tell you right now in the group, 1180 is the resistance of MDLY. So 1180. Down 31 bucks. It should have popped through that. See how it hit it and then popped out of it? I wanted to make support, but I got a little confident that I was gonna make support and then pull back on me. It's all good. Let me go over here for a minute and watch my other stocks. You know how I am. Let's see. Trying to type on my cell phone, y'all. I'm still here. I'm watching my top left as well as I'm trying to make some more trades with my larger account. I just hopped in Club CLOV. Coin. I'm hopping in coin 2 right here. Keep an eye on this video right here. Watch this bull candle come in on the top left. It's gonna pop 1180. When it hits 1180, it's gonna make that powerful move to the upside. 1180 gonna be a support. About to click over in a minute. Once I get done doing this on my sale. Here come the buyers. There we go. Watch this. I'm gonna keep fading away. See this? It's way oversold. All we need is one green candle, get some buyers pop in right here, make 1180 support, and we're gonna blow past that point and we're gonna take off. Here is a fake out. I usually wait one candle sometimes, or I go in immediately if it's going bullish. With this many stocks being traded on that small of a float, yeah, this thing should be going to the moon. The high point is up here. I can move the lines now. I already drew my lines. So those are just in the way at this point. I already know my target areas. I'm in GameStop too. MDLY. That's 12. Here we go. Here we go. Blow through, blow through. Pop that 1180. We got room to run. We got 1174. See this? Watch 1180. That's a resistance point. I drew it right here. 1180 resistance, right? Here come the buyers. There they go. We need one big buyer to come in and blow past this point, and we gone. Here we go. Here come the buyers. Look at the axis here, right side. People lined up, right? They in a 1250 area for sellers. We don't get hold of volatility. Watch on the way up. It's gonna take one big buyer to run it up and halt on volatility. Watch. We got 12. Pop 12. Pop 12.10. There we go. 13 is next. See a big green candle covering up my movement? There we go. Break the candle. I'm gonna get out. And hop to the next one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Break that. Break the cloud. Break the cloud. Break the cloud. Next candle. I'm out. 30. We 30 bucks. My goal is 30. There we go. 35 bucks over there. Now I'm trading on my larger account. I'm hopping out at 12.10. Well, sorry, 12.35. And I'm in coin, hopping out at 2.30. It's gonna hold on volatility because it's moving way too much. It's a matter of time. Uh, 675. My bad, y'all trying to make some trades on my cell phone. This video is done, obviously, but I'm making it last a little longer while I tell you what I'm doing on my cell phone. Hold on. I'm putting some orders in my cell phone. I'm using the real life graph. I like it better on the screen, but I'm trading the same stocks on the screen in my cell phone. That way I can see it easier. The cell phone to me doesn't give me the big picture I need. So I use my screen when I'm doing the video to trade on my cell phone. Now, when I'm doing a video, if I'm in the car somewhere, I straight up trade from my cell phone. What I always do I buy a stock at a certain point. On my cell phone, I buy the limit. Then I would sell it also limit on my cell phone. On the screen, I'm gonna do it backwards because you see information, and I don't want it all on the internet, so I'm going to do it backwards on the screen. However, I recommend always buying and selling limit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What am I missing right here? I'm watching so many things on my cell phone. Hold on. I'm going to get to you guys. Please be patient. I can't miss the money. Right? I'm hopping in again, MDLY, for another move to 14. It's got to halt. I'm telling you, it's about to halt. It's going to take one big buyer to pop in this thing. It's going to halt it on volatility. Guarantee it. So I'm in MDLY a second time at what is this, 12.40? I'm looking for a $13 move. All right. 1, 2. Where we at? Hold on. That's what's missing. My GameStop trade. I like something missing. All right, so back to the video. So over here, I told you guys, I drew a line earlier in the video. I said, hey, 1180 resistance point. To make that support, we A1. I also said that SMA, my green line here, is the new support point, which I called out in the group as well, right here, right? So it popped that point. So then I went over to say, okay, cool, look at Meds. Meds is making a move. I almost bought it. Luckily, I had too many shares in here and denied my buy. That had been all bad. I got FOMO for a second, and luckily, I got saved from my FOMO. It popped me out of it. It didn't feel perfect. Follow your first mind, right? Look over here at this MDLY. My goal beginning was to buy MDLY because, look, it has the largest pullback. It was 1675, up 100% when the market opened. I said, there's no way this thing do not at least retrace 13 bucks. It popped up here to 13, well, 296 and pulled back. So now we're in the current pullback as well. But look though, I bought on the first candle. It popped my point I wanted to get in at, 1170, wherever it was. I bought in and it faked me out. I held it for a candle, popped over next candle. It ran up. I got to my point. My small account goal is always 30 bucks, my small account. Do the math. 22 trading days a month, $30 a day, right? You make $30 a day, you make $660 a month. In a whole year, you're a little over 7,500 bucks in a whole year. So you can pay a lot of bills throughout the year, a little 30 bucks a day, right? So in my case, I saw it move up, but I saw 30 bucks hit. Also saw it wasn't done moving yet. I waited a little while longer, hopped out of it. I only bought 45 shares. I don't know what that cost me because I showed it and do the math the right way in my head. So let's see what it cost me. If I bought 45 shares like I did at 11.79, it cost me 530. So 530 to make me 34.87. So real quick math in my head, that's approximately 8%. You know, let me see, 25, yeah, approximately 7.5%, 8%. You know, 7.5%, 8% a day, right? We don't go 8% a day. I do the math here for you. 22 trading days in a month. 176% a month if you make it like that. In a whole year, you well over almost 2,000% in the whole year. It's not bad, right? All trades are scalable. Of course, I could have bought bigger account. I could have bought 4,000 shares. That same move would have been $33,487. Big difference, right? So now it's pulling back. But look at Meds though. I called Meds out, right? I could have bought it. It failed me. it would have pulled back on me. If I would have got into it, I would have held it for one candle. And look at this move. Am I in meds my large account? I don't even remember. I am not. How did I didn't buy that in my large account? I was saying about the small flow they had. I didn't even buy it. See what happens when you're doing videos? You miss out on money, right? It's all good though. So hold on a second, y'all. Let me see. I get some of this money out this thing. All right, so even with meds, right? I said over here. I said, oh yeah, watch meds and OSAT. They also have tiny floats. And I said that meds is right here somewhere. Then it popped up 688. It pulled back. Next candle popped in. It was red. Popped in green, green, green. So now we're looking at next point, approximately 750. Keep in mind though, this stock has not been as high probably in forever. Let's look. I'm gonna put the target. $8 was the high way back here. And that was in February 9th. So I'm gonna go over here and say February 9th. I gotta respell that right. My bad, y'all. I spelled that wrong. Doing too much. UA. That's all wrong. I get that AY at the end. Hello. Alright. So now you had the $8 mark. I drew it, right? Next point right here, I already blew it. 720 was the other high. See that? Now, if you're looking at it on the video, you're going to see I drew 2 points, right? Notice touch the same point twice. 720, hit that same exact point twice. If it pops 720, then $8 next stop. Resistance point, 720. I'm going to put it over even. 6-month resistance point, 720. Come on, man, I'm typing too fast. Alright. So I said also OSAT. Look at OSAT. Running. Right? All three I called out. Look at that. It hard on volatility. Where we at? Right here. Here we go. Come on, man. I'm typing too fast. Real errors. Ain't no recording. Ain't no me doing my trade and come back over and doing a voiceover. It's real recording, real errors. I'm doing too much at one time. However, I do it for the people. You know what I mean? But look here, though. See that gap right here we did on this one day? 1 year, 1 day. See that gap? That's an overnight jump, right? High 750. So all three. Look at these floats. 3 million share float, 8 million share float, 9 million share float. Look at ZIVO coming in. Also on the watch list. Let me go 5-day, 15-minute. See that 15-minute chart? That burgundy? That fake out. See that fake out? It ran up in this bull candle and now it's faking out. So I'm going to say is right here is watch for support. Let me go draw this line. Watch for the red to green move because it should be bullish. So I'm going to say watch for the red to green move. Now, if you look at 15-minute chart, you will see that we should be going to a bullish direction, right? It faked this out right here. But look at the burgundy right here. And it bounced off the oversold and popped back up, right? The median, 40 to 70, right? We in between the median, the low part in the median. It should be oversold. Look at the support point. Look back here. See how low this line got? It touched it. And it popped off it, right? That move right there. Watch the 5-minute red to green move. Let's watch it live right quick. So either A must pop this candle here. I'm going to draw a line at 720. and draw 948 as well. So let's pop this line here, or we got whole 4.5 minutes, or make a new candle. So it must either pop this line here for me to buy it, or make a whole new candle and pass previous red. So I'm gonna hold off for a minute and watch this. I'm gonna draw a line here. Matter of fact, I'm creating an alert. Let me create alert at or above that top of that red candle. So at above that. My alert is already there. So it pops, it makes a noise up here on the top. You hear the ringer go off, you know hit my point. But right now we're not buying now because it's pulling back. Also has a small float, 9 million share float, 6 million shares being traded. Look at ANY. ANY coming in. Let me do it the right way. I'm all linked. And no reason me do that like that. ANY. Look at that. It was way oversold. It pops that point 30 to 70. It's pulling back right now in the 15 minute. Rephrase that. The 5 minute. We pulling back, right? Dark green on the pullback in the RSI. Look at the 5-day 15 minute. We also reversing. Another fake out, right? High 307. Next point is going to be approximately 279. Then top of this candle. So what I'm going to draw is, I'm going to say potential buy-in 265. So ANY. I'm saying for me, again, don't follow what I do. Do what you do. What I'm going to do is move this line out the way, right? Right here. Clear drawing set. I'm going to make an alert for myself to look at. Now, I can't watch everything, but I can watch a lot. This is what my alerts come in handy for. If I'm looking at something else, it'll pop up on my screen telling me, hey, Joe, you reached your point, right? Let me go to my watch list, make sure it's still moving correctly. SQFT, KTRA, CBAT, AMBO. Keep the watch list accurate. My bad, I'm typing too fast. BCTX. My friend BCTX is back. JFU, IFBD, KXIN, CHEK, NNDM, and where we at? MDLX. You got LY and you got LX. You get MDLX and MDLY. Blue apron look like. GBS, GLG, SRAX. Keep your watch list updated as much as possible. You can find opportunity after opportunity after opportunity by doing so. This is my personal opinion, right? I don't know everything, but I know a lot. I'm not going to show you a video and all I do is win. It makes no sense, right? Show you the good and the bad, the gift and the curse that all comes with it. I've been doing this since 1994. So I've been doing this for a pretty good amount of time. The problem is, my situation is, I put folks in the game, then they fall off. It's like, come on, man. This is easy money. Look at this. I'm not working hard at all. I'm at my desk, on my iMac computer, sitting in my den, making a couple dollars. You only see my small account on screen, right? Never my large account. However, you want to, I can make a video one day, my large account. The problem is, it's gonna lead to more problems. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, here we go. My alert popped off. Let's see. So all I do is from this point, I watch my time. New candle coming right here. Let's see. New candle should pop in right there in the 15 minute. My bad. 5 minute candle. New candle right there in the 5 minute candle. Let's watch this move right here. At this point, I can remove this out of the way. Alert is not going to be removed. And create a new alert to high of the previous red candle, which is right here at 257. So keep them alerts accurate, right? OSAT. The alert went off. Or did I have alert set there? Maybe not. OSAT 720 still. Let me go to my meds. Meds. Get rid of that line and create a new alert. New alert now is 6:53. I'm not gonna put this all in the group, but you watch the video, got a little bonus information, right? MDLY. See, my trade's perfect, right? I could have held one candle more, but I didn't. But I still made 77 cents. I'll look at something else. I still made 77 cents. 1,000 trades been 7,700 bucks. Watch this move here. 1137. Watch 1137 on MDLY. What time is it? We got 4 minutes for the video ends. Watch this move here and watch it live. Are you back? I leave the screen here. If you notice one thing on my small account, I have a small goal at the beginning, be like $20 be my goal to make, right? As I build the account up, I constantly raise my goal. Next goal be like 25. Next goal be $30, right? I'm at the goal now on my account. I need 30 bucks a trade. You may get it sometimes, you may not. Look at OSAT. I see it moving right here. I'm looking at the bottom. My alert blew through it, right? Look at that. OSAT. Right here. Here we go. Come on, y'all. I'm trying to find it right quick. I'm doing too much. Right here. Mark at above 720. And it blew right through it. But while sitting here still, I'll just start to do that. And there it is, right? Look at that. 6-month resistance, 720. I already tapped it. Too easy. It popped 770 that quick. And it ain't done yet. It's in the bull cycle. So I'm going to go here and say, looking bullish. Not bull. OSAT. Another alert. Look at MDLY. This blew past it. Crazy, right? Just popped. Let's watch it. MDLY hit my point. I heard it go off. It popped through my point with 1150. It's coming to buy. It's the buy candle right here. If it's green, it's a buy. Let's watch it. The SMA, the green line, is below it, right? It's banging the SMA, popping off it. Need to make SMA support. The EMA, however, is way up here. ANY, what ANY doing? Let me go myself make some trades. Oh, it's 10:30. Uh-oh. All right, I got to make some trades with my I'm about to log off now and change accounts and trade my larger account. But here we are. Video's done. You saw my trade today on MDLY. I got in 45 share, 11.79, hopped out. Same amount of shares, 12.56 for 34.87, which is 7.5% of my daily profit. HTB, hard to borrow. You can't short it or pay a premium to short it. With that being said, one trade away. I hope this helps.